Hey fitness friends, Desiree here and welcome back to Dansique Fitness. Today I have a neck-friendly ab workout for you. So if you are one of those people who suffer from neck pain during your ab workouts, specifically when you're laying down and in a crunch position, then this workout is for you because we'll actually be sitting up the entire time. Now, if you missed my previous upload, I do strongly urge you to check that out because I explain exactly why people get neck pain, and I also share my secrets to help you prevent that from happening ever again. So I will, of course, link that down below and also at the end of this video. So please go check that out after. Okay, grab your mat and let's get started. All right, friends, sitting up nice and tall, take an inhale here. As you exhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll about halfway back. And we are going to float the arms up without lifting those shoulders and then lower the arms down. Float the arms up and tap the fingertips down. Good. So core is engaged, of course. No tension in the neck. Keep the neck nice and long. Shoulders down, lots of space between the shoulders and the ears at all times. Good. Continue breathing naturally, never holding the breath. Beautiful. And now let's slice the arms. So one arm is up while the other one is down. Good. Keep going, guys. Think happy thoughts. Hopefully that core is starting to burn. I know mine is. Good. Nice long neck. Good. And bring the arms back to center. Use your core to roll up. We'll lengthen the legs out nice and long. Flex the feet and exhale over the legs. Good. Take a nice deep breath here. Relax the head down nice and heavy. Grab the toes if you can. Place the hands on the shins. And we're going to try to make a nice flat back. Good. And let's bend the knees once again, and we'll place the feet flat on the floor. Squeezing those legs together. Inhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail. Exhale, roll about halfway back. And now let's go into our half circles. So twisting to the right, and then we arc the arms up and around. Good. So really squeeze the legs together here. We're really rooting those sit bones, so the bottom half is not moving, right? Just our upper body is moving, really twisting from the waist. Everything else is nice and still and quiet. Good. Bring the body back. And we'll just take a moment here. Give the head a gentle shake side to side. Make sure you're not taking any tension in the neck. We'll roll up, make two fists and squeeze them together. Again, inhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll about halfway back. And we're going to go into our Russian twists. Good, everyone. Keep breathing. I would exhale on each one of these twists. It just helps you twist that extra little bit. Good. Keep pressing those fists together. And if you want to amp it up, try to pick those feet off the floor. If not, keep your feet on the floor, but keep going, keep breathing, keep twisting. Good. Squeeze those legs together. Really twisting from the waist. Try to keep the legs still. And again, inhale, sit up tall. Exhale over those legs. Good. Drop the head down nice and heavy. Feel a nice stretch in the back and the backs of the legs. Flex the feet, grab the toes if you can, and try to make a nice flat back. Good. Beautiful job. All right. Bending those knees again, feet flat on the floor. Squeeze the legs together. Inhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail. Exhale, roll about halfway back. And let's go into our figure eights. I love this one. Of course I love this one, right? It's the ballerina in me. Good, guys. Keep going. Keep breathing. If you want to amp it up, you're going to pick that right foot off the floor about 6 inches. Keep squeezing those thighs together, though. Good. Nice big figure eight in the arms. Let's change legs. Left foot off the floor. Good. Again, I would exhale on each one of these twists. And here is our grand finale. Both feet off the floor. Squeeze the legs. Keep those arms swaying side to side, down and up, down and up. Good. Nice long neck. No tension in the upper body. And we'll sit up nice and tall. Let's go into our butterfly position. Knees apart, feet together, and just round the back forward. Drop the head down. Take a nice deep breath here. Beautiful job. Rolling up sequentially through the spine. And let's keep it going. We're going to lengthen out the legs for this next series. Legs long, arms long. Inhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll about halfway back, maybe even a little bit further if you're feeling good. We're going to round those arms to a ballet first and just pulse down. So this really isn't a big movement, but it really forces you to engage in that core. Let's hold it here, take a little pause, and again, just move the head side to side just to make sure that you're not taking any tension in the neck. And we'll go back to those pulses. Good. Really tucking the tail under, deepening the abdominals. Belly button is in and up, nice and scooped. And we'll take a little pause. Sit up tall, inhale and exhale over those legs. Good, guys. Once again, flex the feet if you like. Try to grab those toes. Feel a nice stretch in the backs of the legs, the calves, the Achilles. And again, try to make a nice flat back. Good. All right. Let's go back down. Scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll it about halfway or more. And again, round the arms, ballet first position, and pulse down. Good. We're just breathing naturally here. And let's hold and just flex and point those feet. Back to our pulses. Little pause and flex and point. Flex and point. Good. Keep going. Pulse it down. And flex and point. Flex and point. Good. Keep going. Pulse it down. And flex and point. And flex and point. Beautiful job. Sit up tall and again, round over those legs. Good. Nice deep breaths here. We're almost done, friends. Stick with me. Let's roll up sequentially through the spine. Again, scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll about halfway back, and now we're going to bend the arms and prop ourselves up on our forearms. So the elbows are directly under the shoulders, and here I'm going to show you exactly what I don't want. Don't get slouchy on me. Really push that floor away, sitting up nice and tall. Now, nothing is going to move except your right arm. You're going to lengthen it straight out in front. Keep everything nice and still. Hold, hold. And bend that arm back in. Good. Same thing with the left. Don't shift, don't twist, just the left arm. Breathe naturally and bend it in. And now here comes the fun one. Both arms, nothing else moves. Hold, breathe, think happy thoughts. Good, good, good. Stay, stay, stay. And bend it in. Good job, my friends. Take a little break. Again, I want you to just shake the head side to side. Make sure you're not taking any tension in the neck. Push the floor away, sitting up nice and tall. And let's go again. This time we're going to incorporate the leg. So we have the right arm and the left leg. Stay right in the center. Nothing else moves. Bring it down. And now left arm, right leg. Good. Stay right in the center. Lower everything down, and let's go for both of those arms again. Hold. Breathe. Stay. Good, almost there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Stay. Good. Ooh, and sit up nice and tall. Okay, guys. Melt over the legs. Grab those feet once again. Nice deep breaths here. All right, my friends, let's make our flat back, and we are going to conclude this workout with our Genie series. So we're going to bend the knees one more time, feet flat on the floor, squeeze those legs together, and let's cross arm on top of arm like a genie. Scoop the belly, tuck the tail, take it about halfway back, and we're just going to alternate tapping your knee to your arms. Good. So again, really lift up through the crown of the head. Neck stays nice and long. Space between the shoulders and the ears. Good. And let's squeeze the legs together. This time we do both legs at the same time. Woo! Good. Keep going, guys. You are almost there. Finish strong. Stick with me. Good. Really try to lower the feet down to the floor with control. And let's pulse it here. Good. Again, it's a tiny movement. But boy, does it burn. And boy, do we love that burn. Yes, we do. All right, keep going, guys. You got it. We're going to keep going with these. Keep breathing. Think happy thoughts. We are almost there. Keep going. Good, good, good. And take a little pause. See if you can pull up into your teaser. Good. If you can't straighten your legs all the way, that's okay. Just place your hands behind the thighs with bent knees. Good. Take a moment here. Deep breaths. Good work. And lower the legs back down with control. And one last stretch over those legs. Good. Rolling up sequentially through the spine. I want you to bend that right knee. We're going to take a twist to the right. Sitting up nice and tall, no slouching. And we'll bend the left and take a twist to the left. Good. Wonderful job today, my beautiful fitness friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you completed it, and be sure to share this video with your friends and help me spread the love. Of course, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also hit that little bell icon so you are always notified when I upload a new workout. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, here is that link to my previous upload. So please check that out so you know how to prevent neck pain in the future. All right, friends, take care of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.